Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best waxing kit. Here are the top 3 waxing kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. KoluaWax Waxing Kit. The kit includes wax, a spatula for application, and cloth strips to remove hair from the area being waxed. KoluaWax is affordable, easy to use, and is a great way to remove hair from the body with minimum hassles. It is a natural wax made from coconut oil and beeswax, and it is vegan, chemical-free, and eco-friendly. It comes with a digital LED display that offers precise, even temperature control, and a see-through lid that provides a clear display. This wax can be used over the entire body, including face, arms, legs, chest, brows, and other parts. At number 2. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. These waxing kits are the perfect way to start a home salon business, and it includes everything including wax, a spatula, and instructions. The kit is perfect for beginners or people who want to experiment with different types of waxes for a better look. This kit comes with a variety of products that are all natural and organic, such as beeswax, jojoba oil, shea butter, and lavender essential oil. There is also an instructional DVD included in the package so you can see exactly what goes into every step of the process. It makes hair removal easier and more affordable than ever, and contains non-toxic ingredients that are safe for sensitive skin types. At number 1. ILansley Waxing Kit for Women. This waxing kit for women is a one-time purchase and includes everything for a complete waxing experience. It is designed for all skin types and comes with a 90-day refund period in case of any fault or defect. This kit ensures a professional and easy waxing approach for different types of hairs, including coarse, fine, underarms, and face. It comes with a 500 cubic centimeters electric at-home waxing pot that has an auto-off function controlling the wax temperature. This kit uses ABS heat-assisted material to prevent overheating and maintains ideal wax consistency throughout the day. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.